being able to like come here and like hang out with people and learn new things has been so fun, and it's something new that I've never done, but it's been so beneficial and rewarding, I feel like, and it's only been like a few months.
Everything I do is Polytechnic in the theater. Everything is hands-on. You can't learn any of this from a book. The only way to learn half of this lighting stuff is to just do it, especially the creativity aspect.
There's a lot of things that I will take from my time here at Stout, working in the theater and acting in the theater, that I will bring forward into my future career. When I got to Stout and found out there was a couple of classes in the theater department, I immediately jumped on one of those. I got to know Audric a little bit through that class, and I was like, I want to help you in some way, shape, or form. It aligned really well with my major in professional communication to help with the publicity. Being able to fight for our spot in the spotlight is super important, and really, I think, does help a lot with getting people to come here and see all of the great things that we're working on. I think all of my studies, I'm able to take some sort of skill or focus or thing that I want to get better at and strengthen, and be able to apply it to the publicity and marketing of the theater.
It's truly beautiful to see just how many people are willing to extend their help.
Primarily, I've worked with a lot of other film students that have come through, and they've actually taught me quite a bit because my background is not in photography or film, and so a lot of the concepts they brought to the table are really important. I work with a few fashion people, especially when trying to find which colors fit well with other things, and knowing like, okay, what are they going to do and what do I have to do?
We have computer science people working here. We have game design majors working here.
I've worked with a handful of electrical engineering majors, especially for fixing some of our lights.
We have graphic design, video production. People come from all over campus just to lend a hand, because theater is a community where everyone is accepted and everyone is loved, and everyone can find a way to help out in a way that matters and benefits them for their future.
Well, I'm hoping to go into costuming. I think having this opportunity to work here and learn all these great things before I get out into the real world has been really beneficial for me and has only brought me good things.
Theater has impacted my time at Stout hugely. It's probably, in my opinion, the single most important thing that I've done at Stout. My classes have come and gone, I've had professors for a little bit, but theater has always been a constant. I'm here every week when I'm at school, and it's a huge part of my life. I've met most of my closest friends through theater. I've learned most of my soft skills through theater, and a lot of my hard skills as well.